If your Ioniq 5's Apple CarPlay crashes when you hit a bump, the problem isn't your phone or a software bug. It's a physical design flaw in the factory USB data port. It simply can't hold the cable securely enough to maintain a data connection. Your phone is constantly streaming thousands of data packets to your car's screen. For this to work, the tiny metal pins inside the USB plug must maintain perfect, uninterrupted contact with the port. The original port in the Ioniq 5 was built with a plastic housing that has too much play, what engineers call loose tolerances. This results in insufficient clamping force, meaning it just doesn't grip the cable tightly. This kind of issue often happens when a component is designed to be produced quickly and cheaply. A fraction of a millimeter in tolerance is saved on the assembly line, but it creates a real-world problem for you. When your car moves, road vibration is actively trying to shake that loose connection apart. A pothole or an expansion joint creates a micro-separation between those data pins for just a millisecond. That's all it takes to break the data stream completely. It's a mechanical failure causing a digital symptom, which is why software updates from Hyundai or Apple will never be able to correct it. Think of your USB cable as having separate lanes for power and data. The power connection is forgiving and can handle a little flicker. The data connection cannot. The moment its link is broken, your infotainment unit gives up and shows that phone not responding error. That's why a brand new cable won't fix it. The problem isn't the plug, it's the socket. The only permanent fix is to replace the faulty hardware with an updated, redesigned part. Hyundai released a specific part to solve this. Here is the process to fix it for good. First, confirm the diagnosis. With CarPlay running and your car parked, gently wiggle the USB cable, right where it enters the port. If it disconnects, you've proven the issue is the physical connection, not the software. Second, get the correct part. The updated assembly you need is Hyundai part number 96120GI00. It's critical you order this exact number to get the redesigned piece. It's built with much tighter manufacturing tolerances to eliminate that mechanical play and hold the cable firm. You can order it from a Hyundai dealer or a trusted online supplier. Third, install the new port. This is a job you can do yourself. The USB module is held in the console by plastic clips. Using a plastic trim removal tool, which won't scratch your interior, gently pry around the edges of the old module to release it. Once it's loose, pull it out just enough to reach the connector on the back. The wiring harness will have a small release tab. You need to press to unplug it. Then, just plug that harness into your new part and snap the new module back into place until it clicks. If you ignore this, you'll continue to fight random disconnects. You'll likely waste money on new cables trying to solve the problem. And you'll lose your navigation or music at the worst possible time, which is more than just an annoyance. So before you blame your phone or buy another cable, check the physical port first.